Okay, o sabi,
Kaya?
oo, sabi dito lang titingin. Maybe I'll just do it this afternoon. I'm not ready for school. I still have to prepare my things, answered Carlo. You should have done it last
Tapos
night.
boto.
O sa diba, sabi ng mother, diba, pag may assignment, gagawin agad. So the child got ready for school. He did not want to be late for school. He walked fast. Oh, ang bilis niya daw mag-ano, be? Ang bilis niyang maglakad. Oh, vlog! Ouch! Oh, natumba siya. Tingnan mo, oo. Oh, nadulas siya. Kasi hindi niya winalis ang balat ng banana. Carlo cried as he stepped on a banana. O, nag-umano daw.
Basis!
Oo, nag-ano daw si Carlo.
Basis!
Nag-cry. O, later na. Tingnan mo dito. Down.
Kagungo.
Okay, down he fell. His uniform became soiled and untidy. He dropped his books. Oh, natapon yung books at sa kanyang uniform. Madumi. Okay? Mother immediately came running to him. Are you hurt? Sabi ni mama niya, nasaktan ba ang baby ko? Okay. Tapos sabi niya, no mother, I'm not hurt, Carlos said as he get up.
Ay.
He looked at the banana peeling. Somebody did not use the garbage can. O sabi ng mama niya, hindi kasi tinapon sa tamang tapunan. I threw away these peelings last night, mother. Next time, I'll use the garbage can. Regretful, Carlos said. O, ito sa tatanong ni mama. Limbawa, nag-eat ikaw ng biscuit. Saan mo itatapon yung balat?
Ayan.
Saan mo itatapon? Sa trash can. Oo, doon isushoot para pagka lalabas ka, hindi ako nabasa yung balat ng biscuit at saka hindi ka madudulas, okay? Okay po ba? Okay, so ito na tayo. New words to learn. Okay, sasagot na daw tayo. Ito, ang peeling, strip of skin, rind, bark that has been peeled off. Ang sweep, to clean or to clear the space with a brush or broom. Paano nga magwalis? Oh, okay na. Paano nga magwalis? Pag pinagwalis ka ni mama, pag nagwalis ka?
Ayan.
Oo, doon ka nagwawalis ng, anong winawalis mo doon? Anong winawalis mo? Mga dahon. Okay. Breakfast, the first meal of the day. Anong iniit mo pag breakfast, pag morning? Anong iniit mo?
Ayan.
Milk. Oo nga, dyan ikaw nag-iit. Pero anong iniit mo? Milk at saka?
No.
Milk. Okay. Uniform, a common set of clothes for school children. Anong color ng uniform mo? Anong color?
Red.
Ha?
Red.
Anong color ng uniform?
Red.
Red daw. Pink.
Pink.
Okay. Garbage can, a container of garbage, worthless, useless, unwanted matter. Asan ba yung garbage bag ni mama? Yung tapunan ni mama, asan ba?
Ayan.
At saka saan pa? Dito. Check mo nga dito yung dun sa may computer ni mama.
Ayun.
Hindi, you know, what's color of the garbage bag? Yung basurahan ni mama.
Green.
Good job. Okay. So, dito complete the following sentence by choosing the correct word mentioned on page 52. The grade 2
Ayan.
pupils wear their school for their class pictorial. Ano daw nga ang sinusuot ng estudyante pagpapasok sa school? Uniform. Okay, sulat natin. Uniform. Uniform.
Ikaw na.
Dito. Dito, yan. Okay, tayo, ikalim mo, hindi ganyan. Uniform. Yan. It's healthy to cover your blank so that the flies will not fly around it. It is a garbage can. Garbage can lang ga. Garbage can. Garbage can. Oh, dapat laging sarado ang garbage can, okay? Okay. Every day, the janitor, anong tawag dito? Anong tawag dyan? Sweep, hindi dig. Nagsisweep, di ba? Nagwawalis every morning. Every day, the janitor sweep the floors and corridors of the classroom. Okay, sweep. Dali na. S W E E P. Okay. Don't leave any fruit blank on the ground to prevent accident. Ano nga daw dapat hindi itapon? Ano nga yon? Balat ng banana. Di ba? Balat ng banana. Andun. Okay. Peeling. Balat ng banana. Okay. Letter P. Papa. Pa. I. I. L. I. N. Ga.
Hindi natin siyang antibiotic pa.
Oh. Ito ulit. Fried rice, egg, and ham are good for... Ano nga pag umaga, pag nag-umaga, kumakain ng morning, anong tawag doon?
Doon.
Pag nag-morning ng eat, ano nga tawag? It's a
Ah.
breakfast. Okay. Breakfast. Breakfast. Okay. Breakfast. Okay, good job. Okay, we're gonna take picture.